Hod of Tiferet. And we were talking the whole week that Tiferet is beauty. And Hod of Tiferet would be easiest to explain as hidden beauty. Now, usually when you see something beautiful, we were talking about it yesterday and the day before, so if you're not following the classes, it might be a little bit hard to follow every class. But yesterday and the day before and the previous day, we were talking that Tiferet is beauty. And usually when you see something beautiful, then right away you get impressed by the beauty. And again, each one finds beauty in different things. One will find beauty in a nice piece of art, another one will find beauty in a car, in a jewelry or a painting, whatever it is. But when you see something that is beautiful, it strikes you and you get impressed by this beauty. There are situations where you don't see the beauty right away. You look at a situation and you see something. Doesn't matter what you're looking at, but you don't see beauty in it right away. Rather, if you search and you look, then you start seeing something beautiful. And this can happen in many different situations. One of the common ones is when you meet a certain individual and you judge the person very quickly by how they look, how they dress, how they're talking. And you can right away disqualify the person or think something about that. Later on, once you get to know the person, like, hey, actually I like this individual, what he's saying, what he's teaching, or what he's doing. So this is one example out of many. You know, where you see it very obvious is when people go on dates. They might not see right away the beauty. Sometimes right away they see, they get attracted to each other. And in some situations you don't. The reality is that everything has beauty. Because if Hashem created it, then it's beautiful. Hashem didn't create something not beautiful. So I know now somebody can come and say, wait a minute, but there's a lot of evil in the world. What? Was there something beautiful and something evil? There's something beautiful in Hitler, Yimach Shemo? No, there's nothing beautiful there. But this, in order not to sidetrack completely from our topic, I will keep it as that the majority of what Hashem creates is good and beautiful. So we don't want to now start debating if everything, because anybody can come and raise now and say this is not beautiful and that's not beautiful. But to stick on the track, we will say that what Hashem creates is beautiful. The only thing is that even if I don't see it right away, in order for me to reveal the beauty in something, then I have to believe that that beauty exists. And if I don't believe that it exists, then I will never find the beauty in anything that I don't see it right away. Yesterday and the day before, we were talking about that we are attracted to beauty right away. In the beginning of the week, we presented a question, should I be attracted to beauty right away? And the answer was no. Don't judge a book by its cover and right away go after the external beauty. Rather go look for more in the internal beauty.